So hi buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can sign on your digital documents. So it's like you have a document where you have to sign digitally, then how you can do it in free of cost. So for this you have to download this app, my PDF sign. It's available for iPad and iPhone both. You have to install this app and you have to click on this open. I will give you this app link in the description, so don't worry. So now you see this, there is options. You see this, there is this option add signature. Click on this. Now here you have to choose your document. Now after you select your document, you have to click on this configure signature. Now you see this, there is two options: draw signature, upload from photos. Draw signature, you can draw your signature through your Apple Pencil or through your fingers also, you can draw your signature. Upload from photos, if you want an accurate signature then you can go with it. Just draw your signature in a white paper and upload it. It will automatically make your signature transparent and you can use it. Choose any method what you like. So now I have to draw my signature here. Okay, click on done. Now here you see this, there is this option of position on PDF. Click on this. Now you see this, there is this option where I have to position my signature. Okay, click on done. Now go to files. Now just open it. Now it's there, the signature is there. I didn't properly place it, but you can do it. So this is how you can sign your digital documents, pretty easy. You just need this app and all done. So I hope you like this video and this videos help you to get your work done. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.